Hello there, my wonderful viewers and friends of my humble production. I appreciate you for choosing my channel yet again for another dose of nature's marvels. And if you are asking yourself how to help the small content creator as I am, I have an answer for you. All you have to do is like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. It is really that simple and it is totally free. Thank you. Today we'll explore the fascinating interplay of a typical April weather, Roman snails, and a dog in a spring pile-top environment. April, the time of year when nature seems indecisive, is an exciting time of unpredictability. One moment it's sunny and the next it's pouring cats and dogs. However, this is what makes April an exciting month. You can never predict the weather. Now, let's introduce our stars, the Roman snails and the dog. You may be curious about the connection between these two vastly different creatures. Both are intriguing in their ways. The Roman snail, for one, can live up to 20 years and is recognizable by its attractive shell. They are prevalent in European gardens, leaving behind a trail of slime as they slide along the ground. Meanwhile, dogs are man's best friend, known for their loyalty and affection. Despite their contrasting appearances and behaviors, both these creatures navigate their environment uniquely. The snails glide, leaving a trail of mucus in their wake, while the dogs wag their tails and run around joyfully. Ultimately, what captivates me is the diversity of life surrounding us. From the tiniest ant to the largest whale, every creature possesses its distinctive characteristics, making them unique and worth of our interest, protection, and love. Therefore, let us take a moment to appreciate the beauty and marvel of the natural world. Let's treasure and safeguard all living beings, regardless of size or significance. Thank you for watching, my dear friends, and I hope this video inspired your interest as much as it did mine. And if it did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my new videos. Your support means everything to me. Have a nice day, and as always, fly safe. Bye bye.